Hey guys, how are you? It's been a couple days. It's been a couple days. So right now, we are getting our washer and dryer. Gas test is gonna come around like 15-20 minutes. So hopefully everything goes well with that there's no damages, no nothing. I am excited because now we have a washer and dryer at home and we got that situated. So after that, me and my friend are going to do some house decor shopping. I'm gonna take you along for that, seeing a couple pieces. I'm gonna show you, I did do one corner of the living room. I did this decor piece. The only thing that's looks situated and put, you know, its life is all put together. So today while we go decor shopping, I do want to look for a mirror. So I'm still kind of torn between a circle mirror that I'll put on the wall or like a U-shaped mirror that I will just hang out like right here on the table. So I'm not sure. And then right here, I want to get like the little beads stuff, like the big, huge beads. Hopefully we'll find something. Okay guys, so I'm at Target and I'm looking for some decor pieces. Oh, look at this table. This little chair table thing. It looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is such a cute little chair. I got these two little like baskets. I was thinking about putting them under the entryway table in the living room. These would be so cute. I've been like in need for a mirror, but that's kind of too small. I want a bigger one. Keeping my eyes out for a gold mirror for my entry table. Two side chairs. I do have ones in mind that I saw on Amazon that are really cute, but I just want to see if there's anything obviously better or something that's easier, maybe a little less in price, but we will see. So I saw this chair. I'm gonna take off the pillows. So I saw this chair. I'm not sure if it's an outside chair. Kind of feels like it's like metal, but I'm trying to look for the price and it doesn't tell me. Yeah, it's an accent chair. All right, so it is home inside the house, not outside. All right, so let me see if I can figure out this pricing. Oh, I'm so funny. All right, so this is how much it is. I would need two. I don't know if that's worth it. We'll sit on it and think about it. So I saw this cute bunch right here. It's very pretty. So my initial vision for my living room is that we are getting a new couch. So my vision was to have like a bench behind the couch. So it can have like, our living room is really long. So the couch will split it in half. So seating over there and then bench will kind of add like another little cute little seating, like a little lounge waiting area, if that makes sense. So, but this is a cute couch, or a cute bench, I should say. I just saw this mirror. This is actually a really cute mirror. I've been wanting like a little oval looking mirror, like not like a square or a circle, just something like really cute, like that picture. And it's $70. It's not bad. I think I might grab it. We'll see. I'm actually gonna get this mirror because it's gold and it's like a U shape. It's still like interesting looking and it's $10 cheaper, so we're gonna go with this mirror. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Might have to move it a little bit or I might hang it up. I don't know how, what do we think? Outfit of the day. No. What do we think? Should I don't know, it just looks kind of weird with this thing. I'm gonna move it. Alright, let me play with it. Alright guys, I think this is it. This is the style. So I'm almost 95% done with this area. I just want to add little beads in this little white thing. White bowl, I guess, oval bowl. I don't know how to call it, but like that. And I think it's cute. So in the basket, either I'm going to put extra blankets or I'm gonna put some games that we have stored still, that we still really haven't unpacked, found its home. I can put it in there because I'm not sure what kind of a coffee table we're gonna get. If it's gonna be like enclosed, like I can store stuff in it, but I don't really want to see like a bunch of crazy games, colorful games in this type of aesthetic. So this is a clip of my aesthetic, my style, kind of like the mid-century modern type vibes. This kind of gives me like Dubai vibes too, with like the oranges, the colors of wood and nudes and stuff. But I am obsessed with this area. I love it. Hey guys, so I'm at home. Oh, sorry, I'm moving too much. So I'm at Homegoods looking at some decor pieces because I just bought 2 new shelves, like industrial shelves from ceiling to floor from Facebook Marketplace for $75. So I got some stuff so far. I do have some decor pieces at home from the apartment, so that's very nice. But we have 2 shelves that we have to fill. So I got, so far, is this cute little frame, a very big candle. Got a marble marble bookend. I was kind of like hoping there was another one, but I don't see one. And then I got this cute, there we go, cute like little wall decor that I'm gonna hang up in a space that I want to put a bench under it. So, but we're still looking for a bench. But after this, I might go to Burlington and then maybe Target, because there are some chairs there, accent chairs, that I really like, that I'm going to debate whether to get it or not. So I'm getting like the decor that I have from the apartment that we can use. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a quick little haul of what I got. So, besides what I got that I showed you already at the store, so I got everything that I showed you at the store. I just ended up getting coasters because we have a wooden coffee table and we have a wooden dining room table, so gotta take out the water stains, prevent them. I did get this cute little plant that we're going to style somewhere. I feel like that is my first kind of like plant. Well, it's not a plant, but like my first fake, oh goodness, my first fake plant. Alright, but these are the shows. They're kind of really cute. And I'm so happy that I found them. They were just $75 for both. So you can just see how amazing that is. Alright, so now I'm gonna take everything out of the bags and we are going to style them. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. I do oh my god, those fake plants. I do plan to go to Target tomorrow, so I'll see more things and I can play around with more. But yeah, that's what I was looking for right now. So I also got this from Homegoods. It's got a cute little macrame. I'm gonna hang it up right here. Once I find the perfect bench, it'll be right here. This is obviously just temporary. My husband plays video games on that. So yeah, that's why it's just there. And then once the basement is fully finished, it'll go down there and he'll have like his own nice little man cave. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, what's up? It's Saturday. We're at Target today and I'm looking at more pieces for my shelves. I just picked up this thing and then I saw this beautiful vase, but I have no plans for them. Oh, just kidding, I do have plans for them. It's this beautiful textured vase, which I can kind of switch out because I have a vase for my entry table. You guys have seen before, so I can switch that. But you guys to look at this beautiful accent chair that's unfortunately I don't think I'm gonna get yet. This beautiful chair. The other one is on the other side. I'm not gonna get it because I don't have my truck, so I left it at home knowing that I was going to go to Target and that I was gonna possibly get it, but I kind of was like, nope, it's investment and I want to hold off a little bit longer to get it. So now we're gonna go to the books magazine area and look for some magazine book stuff. Okay, so I'm at the book section and I'm looking at cookbooks because I kind of want to get books that I could use, and I could definitely use cookbooks. But I'm not sure. Maybe I'm also looking at the smaller books to see because they are cheaper. But all right, guys. So I just got back home. I only got 3 books. So I got this book that I do want to read. It's a poetry book. And then I got two cookbooks. So definitely going to be using this. I do want to get books. I do want to get into reading books and whatnot, but it's a process. Okay, so I got this, and then I got this beautiful pot that I was telling you about, which I might move right over there where this pampas grass is. We're gonna see how it goes. Playing with things, and it's like, So I moved the vase here. I think it looked beautiful. Now this just looks really tall and really silly. So I'm just gonna switch out the vases of what I had previously.